Hi everyone, welcome to Voycell CRM. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use the system, from getting started to understanding all the main features. Let's start by creating your account. Enter your email address and password, then click on Sign Up. Once you register, you'll receive a verification link on your email. Click on that link to proceed. After that, you'll be asked to complete your profile by entering your name and phone number. Now click on Send OTP. You'll receive an OTP on your WhatsApp. Enter it here to verify your number. Once your verification is complete, you're all set and will be redirected to your dashboard. In the dashboard section at the top, you'll see a setup section that helps you unlock the full power of Voycell. These are step-by-step actions like importing your database, adding leads, setting up WhatsApp, email configuration, CRM integration, and enabling Speak to Lead. As you complete each step, it will automatically be marked as completed and disabled. Below that, you'll find key statistics for your account, such as total leads, calls, meetings, and activity insights. This gives you a quick snapshot of everything happening in your CRM. Next, we have the Speak to Lead feature. This feature requires an active extension, which will be assigned automatically when you purchase a plan. Once the extension is enabled in your account, you simply enter your website URL and click Save. Voycell will generate a script for you. Copy and paste that script into your website. Once added, your website will show a pop-up that allows visitors to directly call your CRM, making lead engagement instant and seamless. When a user clicks on this pop-up, they can enter their phone number and press the call button. Instantly, you will receive a call on your phone. By simply picking up the call, you will be directly connected to the user who initiated it, allowing real-time engagement with your leads. Next, we will go to the database. In the database section, you can manage all your contacts. Initially, it will be empty. You can start by adding a new contact. Once added, you can open any contact to view detailed information. Here, you can add notes, schedule meetings, track calls, and manage activities related to that contact. You can also assign tags, make calls directly, and send emails, all from within the CRM. The Leads section works similarly to the database, but is focused on potential customers. Here, you also get additional features like attachments and pipeline status. This allows you to track exactly where each lead stands in your sales process and manage them more effectively. In the Calendar section, you can view all your scheduled meetings. You can click on any date to see meetings for that day or quickly add a new meeting directly from the calendar. You can also link meetings to specific contacts or leads, and along with that, you can even create online meetings directly from here, making it easy to schedule and connect with your clients without leaving the CRM. With WhatsApp integration, you can connect your WhatsApp account directly to the CRM. This allows you to send and receive messages without leaving the platform, helping you stay connected with your leads in real time. Now moving on to the settings section. This is where you can customize everything according to your needs. First, you have profile settings, where you can update your personal details and also check your current plan. Then there's security, where you can manage your account safety. You'll also see users. This is where the company admin can add agents under their account and manage the team. And groups are basically used as tags, so you can organize and categorize your contacts or data more efficiently. Next is email templates. This helps you save time by creating reusable email formats that you can use while sending emails. You'll also find Manage Statuses, where you can customize different statuses for your leads and contacts based on your workflow. And finally, there's the FAQ section, where you can find answers to common questions. In Sync and Integration, you can connect external services. Email integration. Connect with other CRMs to sync leads. Social media integration. Connect platforms like Meta to capture leads directly. In the Call Recordings section, you can see a history of all your calls along with their recordings. Right now, this section is empty. Once you start making calls using our smart dialer, your call records and their recordings will automatically appear here. In the Import Contacts section, you can upload your contacts in bulk. You can easily bring them in from sources like Excel files, Google Contacts, HubSpot, or Zoho CRM, so you don't have to add everything manually. In Plans and Billing, you can easily manage your subscription, upgrade or downgrade your plan whenever needed, and keep track of all your billing details in one place. You'll also be able to view your payment history, download invoices, and stay on top of your account usage and renewals without any hassle. If you have any questions or run into any issues, you can head over to the Help and Support section to reach out to our team. You can quickly create a support ticket there, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And that's a complete overview of Voycell CRM. With these features, you can manage your leads, communication, and workflow all in one place. Thanks for watching.